We're at the Race for Reconciliation 5K run and having a good time. We've been blessed with this beautiful weather. People showed up, black, white, Latino, old, young. You see us two old guys.
The energy was electric. I've been to my fair share of Grizzlies game. This is on par for that.
The energy was outstanding. It was infectious from start to finish.
Every corner I turned, it was cheering. Whole lot of faces, whole lot of organizations here. It was a high, intense energy.
Memphis really came out. You know, yesterday was 901 day, so why not celebrate on today?
It felt like family, honestly. Just a bunch of people here to have fun and walk for unity.
My favorite part about this race is just seeing everybody smile. Everybody just loved being together, and it's such a picture of just the potential that exists.
This city is made up of amazing people who care about the 901, and we wanted to paint a picture of unity and inspire every single Memphian to do the work daily to make this city fantastic.
Looks like this is the biggest turnout that we've had in the last 3 years. So this is a groundswell that I'm super excited about, that's continuing to grow, and it helps organizations like Peer Power so we can be able to donate more.
We are so grateful for Peer Power to be partners in this initiative to unite Memphis. We believe 1,000% in what Peer Power does.
Peer Power may be one of the greatest organizations that currently exist in Memphis, really striving to make a change.
Peer Power showed up and showed out. Our support for Race for Reconciliation, it coincides hand in hand with the mission and the vision of our nonprofit organization and the work that we do day in and day out to help these high school students. We showed up for this race because it matters. We matter, this race matters, Memphis matters, and that's what's important.